Most people fail in business, not because they aren't smart, not because they lack ideas, and not because they don't work hard. They fail because they operate without structure. In the military, this would never be allowed, and business owners should learn from that. Today, I'll show you how soldiers think and how entrepreneurs can apply the same principles to build stable, long-term businesses without chaos. Soldiers don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Every mission has a clear objective, defined roles, a chain of command, a plan for communication, a review after execution. This structure removes confusion. Soldiers don't wake up asking, "What should I do today?" They already know. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, wake up overwhelmed. Too many tools, too many platforms, too many ideas. No clear direction. Soldiers avoid this chaos on purpose. Business owners should too. In military history, disciplined units often defeated better-equipped opponents, not because they had better gear, but because they had better execution. The same applies to business. Entrepreneurs think they need better funnels, better software, more automation, more tactics. But what they really need is one clear mission, daily discipline, consistent execution. Soldiers master fundamentals before upgrading tools. Entrepreneurs should do the same. Before soldiers advance, they secure the ground. They never operate on territory controlled by others. In business, most entrepreneurs do the opposite. They build everything on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, platforms they don't own. One algorithm change, one policy update, and the mission collapses. Soldiers call this operational risk. Business owners should see it the same way. That's why serious entrepreneurs build a hub, a place they control. Their content, their community, their communication, their business foundation. This isn't fear-based, it's strategic. Soldiers never operate alone, not because they can't, but because units win faster and survive longer. Entrepreneurs often try to build alone. No accountability, no feedback, no shared mission. This slows everything down. A structured community changes that. Clarity replaces confusion. Support replaces isolation. Execution becomes consistent. Soldiers fight as a unit. Entrepreneurs should build as one. To help business owners borrow the soldier mindset and apply it to modern, hub-centric business. This isn't about hype. It's about discipline, structure, ownership, execution. If this way of thinking resonates with you, you already know what to do next. This is train, not guessed.